Bailey's first present. Take it. Go on. Take it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Just back at you.
Open it. Open. No, don't eat the paper. Open it. Oh, she probably ate the treat a second ago. Find them. Find the treats. Find a ball.
You force yourself to hold it in case you want to go.
Open it. Come on. Open the ball. Oh, you got the toy that was in it. Did you get the treat? Open the ball. Get the ball open. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it. Come on. Keep going. You're almost there. Look, it's right there. There you go. You got the ball. Can I trash it?